Mindful Cooking with TNT. Together with my colleague,
Talia.
I'm Teddy. We're going to introduce you and take you on the journey to show you how can cook be easy, healthy and tasty. And with element of joy and fun, what you can have on the daily basis.
With some simple props, you can turn cooking into a joyful and mindful experience, helping you wind down after a stressful day.
We will show you today first recipe. So it's something very simple, summary. So we're going to have chicken salad. We're going to use cos lettuce. We're going to use avocado. We're going to use some chicken breast, which is already here. So very simply, we will introducing you how to cook. I'm going to put some also additional extra protein. I add some eggs to my salad. Talia, could you just say something about why we have the white candles here?
Okay, so the candle is helping us to wind down. The light is helping us lighten up and it calming the mind and starting with the eyes. So when you gaze at the candle, you kind of bring this calmness inwards. And when this calmness kind of flow down the body, the head, it's just lighting you up and relaxing you.
That's very interesting. So, the next step of our salad, I just simply going cut the lettuce. I already got here a bowl with water, so I just put it here. Wash that one.
This was my next question for you. When do we wash it?
Here we go. I already have the bowl for you and it's
Excellent.
already there. So you see with the eggs what I done? I boil for 1 minute and I switch off. I switch off now and I'm leaving in the hot water for 10 minutes. When this happens, the egg is really nice and set, but the egg yolk is still a little bit soft in the middle. That's the way how I like it. So as we are moving forward, so I will just prepare the chicken.
So what did you put in the pan? Did you put some olive oil or
No,
just like
nothing
this?
yet. It's at the moment, it's just pan. I'm just heating up.
Okay.
It's very important when you're cooking. Lots of people do frying pan and they put the oil immediately when the frying pan is hot, when it's cold. But the time when the frying pan heats up, the oil heat up and then it starts breaking up. That's when we see the blue smoke coming out. This is not healthy for us. Let's not do that. Let's just heat up the pan. If you're using electric stove, if you're using gas, medium heat gas, heat up first. When it's warm, then add oil. Be very careful, and then we start pan frying. Oh, we need to put some oven also on for 180 degrees, please.
Sure.
So you see, we've got perfect clean chicken breast, which is already without skin, which you can purchase this one from any shop where you want to. What I just do, I will just add a little bit pepper on it, salt.
And you can always keep having a gaze at the candle whenever you have a few minutes break, because it will help to calm the mind, it will help to ground you and just make it into a mindful experience.
You can see, so we're just waiting for the pan to heat up, because I'm using electric, it's taking a bit longer, but never mind, we've got the time. Think about yourself, when you've got a moment like this and you're waiting in the kitchen, breathe. It's very important, have few deep breaths. Really breathe through the nose, and then breathe out a long breath, slow. That will help you calm you, that will help you enjoying yourself, have an unwind yourself after a busy day, stressful day. And it's just simple things what you can do. It's not just cooking, busy, quick and everything else. We're just showing you how you can enjoy yourself. So, you feel now the frying pan getting warm, you just put gently, hover your hands above it and you feel it's hot. So you just add some little bit oil, tiny bits. You can see how the pan is very, very hot immediately, and then we can just very fast. And you can see it going nicely. You can just seal the chicken breast. Be always careful when you're going to have bowls and everything else. Don't cross contamination. this can go to wash. So our breast, you can see, really nice, feel nicely, little bit salt and pepper. We're just going to put the whole things in oven for around 10 to 12 minutes. The eggs, we have to chill them, because when you take them from the heat, drain the hot water, add some cold water, so one, you stop in process of cooking, secondly, you will cool down.
We bring this experience of the yoga into the cooking now. This mindful experience of doing it here and now with our mind focused on the cooking and enjoying every single moment of what we do.
That sounds absolutely wonderful. You know what? I never try yoga. I must admit that. That's very unusual for me, but I'm usually with yourself, knowing you. We've been friends for a while now, aren't we?
Yeah, we've known each other for a number of years now, and I think it's time for us to start introducing some yoga postures into these experiences.
Olive oil, lemon juice, a bit salt, pepper, tiny bit of sugar. I'm just going to add some coriander because I like coriander. Coriander, but it's very good. It's also very helpful for cleaning your digestion. So you can see it's very light, very rich green color, and it's very solid.
And how much sugar did you put in it?
Literally just pinch. Take the sharpness away, because chicken meat is very bland. We just use salt and pepper, so we not add any spices. So I'm going to have the sharpness and taste a little bit coming from the lemon juice. So I don't put too much sugar, because I don't want the sugar take over control. I want to have the lemony flavor of chicken. If you wish, add some. You can add some. You see, Dijon mustard, tiny bits Dijon mustard. You can add this one and stir, and that's going to have a little bit volume. Instead sugar, you can add some honey. That is good things. This recipe is very simple, and you can do to your own taste.
Can't wait. So for how long, Teddy, do you leave the chicken in the oven approximately?
12 to 15 minutes. But that depends on the size of the chicken breast. Bigger the breast is, of course, that's going a little bit longer to cook.
But the test is that it's still moist.
Yes, absolutely.
So we drained the lettuce.
We drain the lettuce, and when the chicken will be ready, then we will add the dressing. Don't add the dressing too early, because the acid from the dressings what you use is that lemon juice or vinegar. It will start cooking the lettuce, and the lettuce becoming very soft and soggy.
So it's like in the top restaurants.
You just want the maximum nutrition what you want, and the goodness what is with everything what we produce here. Eggs, it's amino acid. Avocado give you natural oils, which is very good, and it's helping with your digestion system. Egg yolks got very valuable vitamin and fats, which they body what's our need and required. So it's lots of meat what you hear about eggs. They can give you cholesterol. Eggs don't give you cholesterol. You can easily eat from 6 to 7 eggs a week. It's absolutely fine, no problem.
Okay, good to know.
Let's check our chicken. You can see it's a little bit juices coming out.
Yeah.
They are not quite clear, but that is indication it's not long before our chicken breast will be ready. The first thing is boil your eggs and chicken, cook the chicken. When you've done this, so technically cook the chicken, seal, put in oven. You can wash your salad, prepare everything else, and it's going to not take the maximum 20 minutes. And then in half hour pretty much you're going to have meal. Very light, very healthy, not heavy meal, easy digest, with good element of nutrition to help your body build up.
And the preparation is also so mindful, so you are calming down and relax. When you sit to eat, you actually let the body absorb the nutrition because you are already calmed down.
So here we go, guys. It's lots of tricks for you, how you can help yourself and to just feel better. Let's check our chicken breast.
I'm great.
So here we go. I'm just going to have a quick check, make sure it's fully cooked. So here we go.
It
It's
is
all
like
fully cooked. So we just leave that one as is. I just put this one on the side to cool down a little bit. So now we can prepare to the next final stage. So avocado, you just cut in half, twist gently, open up.
It's a nice technique.
Then we put the knife in the stone, turn, and you've got your seeds out. So let me just put on my plate there. So you can have different ways how you can take the avocado out. You can use simply spoon, go around the edges. Here we go.
Brilliant.
And that is all out. We're going to use the whole avocado because me and you will definitely going to enjoy the salad.
Well, I'm hungry.
So now let's have a look our eggs, how they come out. So you can
Wow.
see it's just perfect white set. You've got a little bit softness, so that is better quality of the eggs. So we're just going, I just go and cut them in 4. Just like that. Then also the avocado, what I can do, I can just do little bit slices.
And look at the colors. What beautiful colors.
Absolutely.
So you have
So here
yellow.
we go. We just put the dressing on top with a little bit coriander, extra flavor. Just add in. Then I can just take the spoon, what I use avocado, just gently stir. You have to treat salad very, very gently. You see, I just lifting from the bottom and try to lift to the top, turn around gently in the bowl, coating the leaves slightly gently. You can smell the coriander and the lemon. It's
Wow.
just really, really,
Really
nice.
nice. So bringing all the senses into your experience is another way of bringing mindfulness into the cooking.
I'm going to just put avocado slightly in different places around the green salad. So you can see it's just the eggs around it, adding on. And then also what I will do, just for color, I think so I'm going to use tiny bits of my red pepper. And I'm just going to add some tiny strips.
So this is adding color and nutrition.
And nutritions. Red pepper, it's got quite a bit of vitamin C. Red pepper is very good for people who've got diabetes, helping clearing excessive sugar from your bloodstreams. So look at that, how wonderful this is start looking. I just add some tiny bit of coriander. Just as I know it's very green, but overall, as I said, it's summer salad. And I will just wrap my chicken. I always prefer slices because then you can slice straight, you can slice on the angles. You can see really just a little bit this. And you can see how gentle breaking passes. Can you smell the chicken?
I can smell, and it does smell.
And that is something really nice. So I can leave it just a little bit there and just gently add all over this lettuce. Here we go, guys, and there we are.
And
This is very simple salad, summery salad, very healthy, very light. If somebody dieting, that's something for you, what you can definitely try.
And don't forget that if we can do it,
You can do it too.
enjoy!
Enjoy.